English version, class 5, mathematics, chapter 4.
Number 5. Shobu's house is 3 by 8 kilometer west of the school. Mitu's house 5 by 12 kilometer east of the school. Here they want to answer how many kilometer is distance from Shobu's and Mitu's house, and B, whose house is nearest to the school. What is the distance of Shobu's and Mitu's house from school? Here told them, if we think this is the school and this is Shobu's house and this is Mitu. Distance from 3 by 8, this is school, and 5 by 12. Then total distance, number A. How many kilometer distance from Shobu's to Mitu's house? It means if we add T and T's, this is the total distance of Mitu's and Shobu's house. And we can write 3 by 8 plus 5 by 12. 5, 8, 12, 4, 2, 3. 4 into 2 into 3, 6, 4, 24. 3 times 9 plus 2 times 10. Then 24 by 19. Then answer A. Total distance of Shabu's and Mitu house 19 by 24 kilometers. And the B, what do you want to? Whose house is near to the school? And what is the distance of Shobu's and Mitu's house from the school? How many? Who is the nearest? Who is the nearest? If we break down here 1 kilometer, okay, we think this is 1 kilometer. Then 1 kilometer. If we break down Shobu's house, break down 8 times by 3. 8 times, that means this is the middle, this is the another middle, and this is the another middle. 8 times. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times, and then 3. 8 by 3. 1, 2, 3. Then if we break down this, think this is the 8 by 3. And to Mitu's house, we break down 12 times in a kilometer. Same size, same breakdown, same 12 times breakdown. Okay, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence 12 times, and now 8. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the Mitu house. 5 by 12. Then what do you see? You see that nearest. Whose house is nearest to the school? That means whose house? Shobu's house. So Shobu's house, says B's house is nearest to the school. And whose house is the nearest to the school? What is the distance of Shobu's and Mitu house from school? Shobu's and Mitu's house distance. That means this is the distance. They want to know what is the distance this. Then we can write here 9, 8, and 3, 8, 3, 8 minus 5, 12. Then 8 by 12, 24, 3 times, 9, 2 times, 5, 2 times, 10, equal to 24, 1. So, the distance between Shobu's house and Mitu house is 1 by 24 kilometers. Thank you.